n equivalent to 360. 360, write down it as a power of prime bases 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. How many factors? How many factors? How many factors are of the form? How many factors are of the form 3k multiples of 3? 3k plus 1 and 3k plus 2. Another model. How many factors are of the form 3k, 3k plus 1 and 3k plus 2? Listen carefully, sir. N is 360. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. How many factors are of the form 3k, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2? How many factors are of the form which are multiples of 3? 3 is taken out. Bracket it is 2 cube. Next it is 3 power 1. Next it is 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. I hope it is clear. These are the numbers which are getting multiplied by 3. Therefore, it becomes factors which are multiples of 3. How many factors are there? 0 to 3, 4. 0 to 1, 2. 0 to 1, 2. 4 into 2 into 2. Total 16 factors are there which are multiples of 3. I hope it is clear. When you divide a number by 3, remainder 0, remainder 1, remainder 2. 3 possible remainders you will get. That means sum of these 3, sum of the factors for 3k, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2 should be equivalent to total factors 0 to 3, 0 to 2, 0 to 1. 4 into 3 into 2, it is 24. Total sum of these 3 factors should be equivalent to 24. How many factors are of the form 3k, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2? Any number which is divisible by 3, it is 3 into 2 cube into 3 power 1. Already 1 power of 3 it is there. Into 5 power 1. 4 into 2 into 2. 16 factors we got. Listen carefully for this. Listen carefully. B. 3k plus 1. What do you mean by 3k plus 1? It is not divisible by 3. Because when it is divided by 3, it gives a remainder 1. 3k plus 1 means the number is not divisible by 3. Number is not divisible by 3. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Listen carefully, sir. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1 into 5 power 1. Now see here. It is not divisible by 3. Because it is not divisible by 3, remove 3 square here. Remove 3 square here. Similarly, it is of the form 3k plus 2. 3k plus 2. 3k plus 2 means when it is divided by 3, it gives a remainder 2. That means it is not perfectly divisible by 3. 3 square eliminated. 3 square eliminated. This is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square and 2 cube. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. 3 square, all the powers are eliminated. All the powers are eliminated. What is that we require? 3k plus 1. Divide every number by 3. 2 by 1 divided by 3, 1. 2 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, negative remainder minus 1. 4 divided by 3, it is 1. 8 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 1. I divided every number by 3 because it is of the form 3k plus 1. 5 power 0, 1 divided by 3, 1. 5 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, minus 1. What I should get? Plus 1. Wherever plus 1 combinations are there, that will be possible. These 1 into 1, 1 out, right? Next one, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Another case, are you all with me? 1 should be multiplied by 1 to get 1. Minus 1 should be multiplied by minus 1. 1 into 1, 1 over minus 1 into minus 1. Again it is plus 1. Here minus 1 into plus 1. I hope it is clear. So totally 4 cases we got. What are that 4 cases? I am writing it here. 1 into 1. 2 power 0 into 5 power 0. Next one, minus 1 into minus 1. 2 power 1 into 5 power 1. Next one, 1 into 1. 2 square into 5 power 0. Minus 1 into minus 1. 2 cube into 5 power 1. Check all the cases. 1 into 1, 1. 1. 3 zeros are 0, remainder 1. 2 into 5, 10. 10 divided by 3, remainder 1. 4 into 1, 4. 4 divided by 3, remainder 1. 8 5s are 40. 3 13s are 39, remainder 1. So totally, how many cases I got? 4. I hope it is clear. Again, I am explaining. If needed, I will take one more question and I will solve it. Now see here. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. It is not divisible by 3. So power of 3 are out. Because it is 3k plus 1. Whatever the remaining powers, take everything when divided by 3. Simple, it will be 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 into minus 1, 1. 1 divided by 3, 1. 2 divided by 3, minus 1. 4 divided by 3, 1. 8 divided by 3, minus 1. 1 with minus 1. 1 with 1, 1. Minus 1 with minus 1, 1. 1 with 1, minus 1 with minus 1. Totally 4 cases I will get it. I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly, here also we will do it. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 5 power 0, 5 power 1. I need to get 3k plus 2. I need to get 3k plus 2. 2 divided by 3, 1. 2 divided by 3, minus 1. 2 power 0 divided by 3, 1. 4 divided by 3, 1. 8 divided by 3, minus 1. It is 1. 5 divided by 3, minus 1. What I should get? 2 remainder. 2 remainder, it is also of the form 2 divided by 3, minus 1. Either plus 2 is the positive remainder or minus 1 is the negative remainder. So 1 with minus 1, 1 case. Minus 1 with 1 case. 1 with minus 1, 1 case. Minus 1 with 1 case. 4 cases. What are that 4 cases? We will write down here. 2 power 0 into 5 power 1. 1 into minus 1. 2 power 1 into 5 power 0. Another case. 2 square into 5 power 1. Next case. 2 cube into 5 power 0. 2 cube into 5 power 0. I hope the idea it is clear. 1 into 5, 5. 5 is 3k plus 2. 3k plus 2. 5 into how much? What is this case? 2 square into 5. 4 5s are 20. 3 6 are 18 plus 2. 8 into 1, 8. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. When it is divided by 3k, when it gives a remainder 1 and when it gives a remainder minus 1. Seems like a little challenging, but once you understand, this question is very, very easy. I hope the idea it is clear. 3k plus 1. 3k plus 2. I will do one more example so that it will be crystal clear to you. I hope the idea it is clear. 16 plus 4 plus 4, 24, which is equivalent to total factors. Now see here. Same model, I will do one more. N is 420. What are 420 factors? 420 factors are 4 into 105. 3 into 35, 5 into 7, 4 is 2 square, 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7, 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. You can easily solve it. How many factors? How many factors are of the form? How many factors are of the form 4k, 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3. Another example, but this time it is divided by 4. It could be anything, divided by 4, divided by 3, divided by 6. 4k, 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2 and 4k plus 3. Listen carefully, sir. 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2 or 4k plus 3. One by one we will go. 4k, when it is divided by 4k, 4 is 2 square into, remaining it is 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. I hope the idea it is clear. So these are the numbers which are multiplied by 4, which will become 4k. How many factors are there? 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. There are 8 factors which are multiples of 4. There are 8 factors which are multiples of 4. Which are multiples of 4. 4k plus 1. Now see here. N equivalent to 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. 4k plus 1. That means when it is divided by 4, it gives a remainder 1. When it is divided by 4, it gives a remainder 1. That means it is not divisible by 4. Out. Are you all with me? 3 into 5 into 7. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. 7 power 0, 7 power 1. Because it is divided by 4, divide every number by 4. 1 divided by 4. 4 divided by 3. Minus 1. 1 divided by 4. 1. 5 power 1. 1 divided, 5 divided by 4. 1. 7 power 0. 1. 7 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. Minus 1. I hope it is clear. Now, how many cases will be there? It gives 4k plus 1. 1 into 1 into 1. 1 into 1 into 1. 3 power 0 into 5 power 0 into 7 power 0. 1 into 1 into 1. It is 1. Next case. 1 into 1 into 1. It is also 1. So 3 power 0 into 5 power 1 into 7 power 0. I hope you are understanding. I need to get a reminder 1. 1, 1, 1. 1 not possible. 1, 1, 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 into. Minus 1 into. 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 into minus 1. 3 power 1 into 4 power 0 into 7 power 1. Are you with me? 3 power 1 into 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. 3 power 1 into 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. These 1, 1, 1, 1. Next it is 5. 5 divided by 4, 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 7s are 105. 4 26 are 104. Remainder 1. 3 7s are 21. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 1. Totally how many cases I got? 4 cases here I got. 4 cases here I got. 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2 is 2 into 2k plus 1. 2 into 2k plus 1. Power of 2 it is fixed. 2k plus 1 it is an odd number. 2k plus 1 it is an odd number. Keep the power of 2 as 1 and the remaining it is an odd number. How many odd factors are there for this number? How many odd factors are there? It is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. I hope it is clear. Totally how many factors are there for this number? 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Out of these 24, 4 cases I got here. 8 cases I got here. 4 plus 8 is 12. Here I will get another 12 cases. Sorry. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. Here 4 cases I will get. Here 4 cases I will get. 4k, 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3. Even if you want 4k plus 2, 4k plus 2, what you will do is, 4k plus 2 is 2 into 2k plus 1. Power of 2 it is fixed. Suppose in case if you want me to solve like this, n equivalent to 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. I want 2 as a 2 power 1 only. Remaining it will be 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 2 into 2 into 2, total 8 cases. Factors when it is divided by 3, remainder 0, remainder 1, remainder 2. When it is divided by 4, remainder 0, remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3. 4k I got 8. 4k plus 1 I got 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 8 plus 8 plus 4, 20. Out of 24, 20 factors are out. So the answer is remaining 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Is the idea clear? I hope it is clear. In the examination, in your examination, there is a question like this. How many factors for how many? The question is like this. How many factors for? How many factors for 240? This is an exam model question, sir. How many factors for 240 are of the form 4n plus 2? 4n plus 2. Just now we discussed. Only to discuss this one, I discussed the previous question. What if it is 4n, 4n plus 1, 4n plus 3? How many factors for 240 are of the form 4n plus 2? 4n plus 2 is 2 into 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1, it is an odd number. So power of 2, we have to fix it. 240, it is 2 into 120. 2 into 120, it is 2 square into 3 into 5. 2 square into 3 into 5. Now see here. 2 square into 3 into 5. 2 into any number. This, for these odd factors means it cannot take power of 2. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. 2 into 2, 4 cases. 2 into 2, 4 cases. I hope it is clear. So 2 into 2n plus 1. For this number, I want odd factors. Odd factors are the factors which are never divisible by 2. 2 square, it is out. 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. So 2 into 2, total 4 cases. Last 10 minutes, extremely important. How many factors when divided by 3, either perfectly divisible 3k or 3k plus 1 or 3k plus 2. Idea clear? I hope all these. This class, kindly revise it in the next 24 hours. Next concept. N equivalent to 360. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Now see here. Listen carefully, sir. How many? Question is, how many factors for? How many factors for n are? First question. Perfect squares. How many factors for n are perfect square? Non-perfect squares, another model. How many factors for n are perfect squares, non-perfect squares, perfect cubes, and non-perfect cubes. 4 questions we will discuss. Another important model. Based upon this model, we can create another 3-4 good quality questions, sir. N equivalent to 360. 360 is 8 9s are 72, 72 5s are 360. How many factors for n are perfect squares, non-perfect squares, perfect cubes, and non-perfect cubes? First, we will write the concept here. First concept. A perfect square. What is the definition of a perfect square? Power will be an even number. and 0. First key point. Definition of a perfect square is number multiplied by itself. If I multiply a number by itself, I will get a perfect square. Power 0, it is also a perfect square. Second key point. A perfect square into perfect square. A perfect square into a perfect square will always given another perfect square. 4 into 9 is 36. 36 is a perfect square. 2 square into 3 square. 144. 144 is 16 into 9. Third key point. I require a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Perfect cube means power should be a multiple of a power should be a multiple of 3 and 0. One is a perfect square, one is a perfect cube. Fourth key point. A perfect cube into perfect cube. A perfect cube into perfect cube is always a perfect cube. 2 cube into 3 cube. 8 into 27. 216, which is 6 cube. A perfect square will have power and even number. Power and even number. Even number is a number which is a multiple of 2. Even number is a number which is a multiple of 2. If I want the factors which are perfect squares, that factor power should be a multiple of 2. Power should be, if it is a perfect cube, power should be a multiple of 3 and 0. All these 4 key points which we will do it. Now first one. How many factors for n are perfect square? First key point says, for a factor to be a perfect square, power should be an even number and 0. So 2 power 0, 3 power can be 0. 2 power 0, 3 power 0 and 5 power 0. Power can be an even number. 2 square, 3 square, that's all. There is no 5 power 2 here. So 2 square into 3 square. 2 perfect squares product is also a perfect square. How many combinations here? 2. 2 into. How many combinations here? 2. 5 power 0, there is 1. 2 into 1. Total, what will be the answer? 4. A perfect square power should be an even number and 0. So I started with 0. 2 power 0, 3 power 0, 5 power 1. Next even power of 2 is 2 square. Even power of 3 is 3 square. So 2 into 1. 4 cases. Factors which are non-perfect squares. Factors which are non-perfect square is total factors. Total factors minus factors which are perfect squares. Minus factors which are perfect squares. Am I right? So total factors will be 4 into 3 into 2 minus it is 4. So total 24 minus 4. Factors which are non-perfect squares are 20. Factors which are non-perfect squares are 20. I hope the idea it is clear. It's a simple definition of a perfect square. Once you understand the definition of a perfect square, then the process will become very easy. Next one. Perfect cube. Perfect cube will have power a multiple of 3 or 0. So 2 power 0. 3 power 0, 5 power 0. Perfect cube, it is 2 cube. Next, there is nothing beyond 3 power 2. So, eliminated. So, 2 into 1, which is 2. Which is 2. 2 power 0 into 3 power 0 into 5 power 0. 1 is a perfect cube. 8 into 1, 8 it is a perfect cube. A perfect square, power should be an even number including 0. Perfect cube, power should be a multiple of 3. Non-perfect cube. Non-perfect cube means total factors minus factors which are perfect cubes. Total factors which is 24 minus 2. Answer is 22. Answer is 22. I hope this slide talks about factors which are perfect squares, factors which are non-perfect squares, factors which are perfect cubes, and factors which are non-perfect cubes. Instead of writing all these, what we'll do is, we will understand a logic. See here. N equivalent to 2 power 7 into 3 power 8 into 5 cube. N equivalent to 2 power 7 into 3 power 8 into 5 cube. We want, I took a little larger number. We want the factors. We want the factors for n. We want the factors for n, which are, we will optimize the number of steps. First one, perfect squares. We want the factors for n, which are perfect squares. Next it is perfect cubes. Next it is perfect cubes. Listen carefully, sir. Method 1. What we will do? A perfect square means power can be 0. 2 power 0, 3 power 0, 5 power 0. And power has to be an even number. 2 square, 2 power 4, 2 power 6. 3 square, 3 power 4, 3 power 6, 3 power 8. 5 square. Am I right? We will write like this. So totally how many combinations I got? 4 combinations for power of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 combinations for power of 3. 2 combinations for power of 2. 22s are 40. 22s are 40. Instead of writing like this, what we will do is, we will optimize it. What do you mean by a perfect square? A perfect square means power should be an even number, including 0. Even number is always divisible by 2. Divide the power by 2. Divide the power by 2. Divide the power by 2 and add 1. Why are we adding 1? We are adding 1 because 2 power 0, 3 power 0, 5 power 0, all these are equivalent to 1. 1 is a perfect square, 1 cube. Why we are dividing the power by 2? A perfect square, power should be an even number. Even number is divisible by 2. Even number is divisible by 2. Now see here. Directly divide. N equivalent to 2 power 7 into 3 power 8 into 5 cube. 7 by 2. 3.5. Ignore decimal. Please write down. Ignore the decimals. Ignore the decimals. Ignore the decimal value. 7 by 2. 3.5. 3 plus 1. What are these 3? 2 square, 2 power 4, 2 power 6. What is plus 1? 2 power 0, 1 is a perfect square. Similarly, 8 by 2. 4 plus 1. If you write and get an integer, write it as it is. If you get a decimal, ignore the decimal. Why it is 4 plus 1? 4 cases are these 4 cases. 1 case is 3 power 0. 3 by 2, 1.5. Ignore decimal. 1 plus 1. What is that one case? 5 square. Plus 1, 5 power 0. So answer is 4 into 5 into 2. If the number powers are very, very large, what you can do is divide the power by 2 and add 1. Why are we dividing the power by 2? Because the power should be an even number. Because we require the factors which are perfect squares. We require the factors which are perfect squares. Similarly, next question. Perfect cubes. Perfect cubes means power should be a multiple of 3. 2 power 0. 2 power 3, 2 power 6, 3 power 0, 3 power 3, 3 power 6, 5 power 0, 5 power 3. Total how many cases we got? 3 cases here. Again 3 cases here. 2 cases here. 3 into 3 into 2. Total 18 cases. Same approach we will do it here. Same approach. Perfect square, power is an even number. It should be divisible by 2. If it is a perfect cube, divide the power by 3. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Why? Because perfect cube means power should be divisible by 3. So what is the question? Question is, n equivalent to 2 power 7 into 3 power 8 into 5 power 3. 7 by 3, 2 point something. Ignore the decimal. Add 1 because 2 power 0 is a factor. 8 by 3, 2 point something. 2 plus 1. 3 by 3, 1 plus 1. 3 into 3 into 2, which is 18. 18 factors are there which are perfect cube for these number. Perfect cube means divide the power by 3. Perfect fourth power means divide the power by 4 and add 1. Perfect square means divide the power by 2 and add 1. Divide the power by 2 and add 1. Perfect square and perfect cube. Perfect square and perfect cube. I hope the idea it is clear. Where it will be useful? It will be useful if the value it is very high.